Hey guys, it's Smiles Behind Lupus, and I'm coming today with a quick haul from 3 stores. So I'm going to jump into this so it'll be short and sweet. So the first thing is from the Goodwill, and it's this little candle holder. It's 2 of them. There's that one. So side by side, they're, one's taller than the other. So I'm going to spray paint these, of course, gold. And one was $1.79, and this was $1.79. This was $1.99. Sorry. The next thing that I got was this beautiful shower curtain. Can you see it? It's look like a glare. It's has turquoise and gray on it with some writing. I don't know what the writing says. But I will be refreshing up our guest bathroom to make it, more lighter colors. And this was $2.19. And it's the cloth shower curtain that has the hooks to it, or the ring. So I'm super excited about that. And I'll just wash it, because that's the type. I use the plastic liners behind my cloth shower curtain. Just to protect them, but I'll show you the updated bathroom when I get that done. And the last, sorry, I got this lovely candle holder. It is so tall. It is very tall. You can see that. It was $2.99. They only had one, so I grabbed it because hopefully I can find some more either there or at a different Goodwill. But those are always good finds. And lastly, from the Goodwill, I got these clear plates right here. They're salad plates that I needed for my tablescape, which that's coming soon. And they were just 99 cents, and I got 4 of them. Next, we're going to do Target. I never shop at Target. Everybody talks about the dollar spot and all of that, but I ordered something online that was on clearance, and so I went in there and I was like, well, let me just see what else they have. So I found these little notepads that says morning, noon, and night of everything that you need to do, and they were $1, and it's 80 sheets. I brought Easter some little pencils that has like uniforms on them. They were $1. And this is what I ordered online for my tablescape. These beautiful charger placemats. I got both of them. They actually went up on the price for some reason, but so this is what happened. I didn't, like I said, I don't shop at Target. So I ordered the stuff on Friday, and it gets, you know, I got the email saying that the stuff was ready. I think they sent me an email maybe Sunday, and then it's like, oh, well, you have till Monday. I get a text to say I had till Monday to pick it up. Who does that? Walmart at least gives you 7 days when you order something online to pick your stuff up. So I called last night and I was like, hey, you know, I can't get there today, you know, so can I come, you know, I couldn't get there yesterday. And the girl was like, oh, I'll just put a 24-hour hold on it. But when I get there, what did she do? She canceled my order, which I used the gift card because I had like a $5 gift card for, the last time I went to Target was probably in 2016, and we did like a couponing with a friend of mine, and then you know how you get the $5 gift card. So I was like, oh cool, I'll just use that for this. So she credited it back. So then I was like, really? Why would she cancel my order? But then she put it on hold, and then they tried to charge me because they were $1.99 apparently. And I was like, well, that's not what I was getting online. So I showed the guy what I was getting. So I got them for $1.49. I know it's only a couple, you know, coins, but every coin counts. So I got 2 of those charger placemats. They call them chargers, but I don't know. But you'll see it in my tablescape coming soon. Put that right there. And the last thing, I'm working on some organization in the house. Those videos will come soon as well. But I went to Dollar Tree. They have these jumbo blanket storage bags. Of course, they're for $1. I don't know if you guys have ever used those before. But I wanted to, you know, try them to put our quotes in. So I got 2 of those. Then I got these heavy duty storage bags that have like the Ziploc thing on them. And the box comes with 3. It comes with a large, extra large, and a double X bag. And I also got some of the collapsible bins. I got 2 of those. So that concludes my haul, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy. And I will see you guys next time.